Hello everybody, and thank you for watching. Today I'll be doing a sound test of the Logitech UE Mobile Boombox. I've already done a review of it, so if you haven't seen it, I'll post a link in the description below. Go check it out. This speaker consists of two full-range drivers, which deliver a very rich and clear sound, even when on full volume. If you're listening to a bass-heavy song, it may vibrate a little on the table, which usually really isn't a problem. If you're using the speakers indoor, which most people will use it indoors, it fills almost any size room very nicely with the very clear sound. I'll play a couple songs for you and you guys can see how it sounds. I moved the camera back a couple feet so the speaker wouldn't be directly in the camera's microphone. I'm going to start off with one song at about half volume for you guys to hear. I'm going to raise it up to full volume. So as you can see, it gets really loud.